I have this Nexus 5 that began to get a bulge in the screen. So bad that it was um, ultimately I pulled on a little and it popped off, but the battery is so bulged. I reached out after seeing online that Google may replace this. Even though I bought it new on eBay. They decided they were gonna send me a replacement phone. So that is exactly what they did. I've got, first I'm going to show you how this is set up. They sent me this box to return it in. It's got a shipping label on the back. It came with some instructions. The instructions are a little bit difficult to follow, but anyways, it basically just says you take this inner box out. Has these little tabs down here that you open up. And then this thermal lining, you literally, it says on the instructions to just put the battery or the phone right in there and then close it up. Like so. And then close this up. I'll put a little piece of tape on this to hold it shut. And what they sent me a brand new Pixel 6. Pretty awesome. This is especially nice because my son has type 1 diabetes and he uses a Dexcom G6 and an Omnipod 5 that works with the G6. And up until now, he's had to carry his Pixel 5, which was not this one, it's a different one, to control his Dexcom and his controller to control his Omnipod. Now he can do it both from the same one. The Pixel 6 is one of the FDA approved phones for the Omnipod. Pixel 5 is not. So now he'll be able to just pack this around and not the other two devices. Thanks, Google.